Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting platform software, which is QuickBooks and Entry. So to get started with the analysis, QuickBooks in 2025 remained one of the most popular all-in-one accounting tools for small to mid-sized businesses. It offers features like invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, and tax prep, and a robust financial reporting. With its user-friendly interface and strong integration, it's great for managing the entire accounting process in one place. However, it can get expensive with hats-on, and beginner may find the advanced features a bit overwhelming at first. Talking about AutoEntry, on the other hand, focus purely on automating data entry. It excels at scanning and digitalizing receipt, invoicing, and back statement, then syncing them without accounting platform like QuickBooks, Xero, and Sage. It doesn't handle full booking or reporting, but shines as a time-saving hat-on for account and business owner who want to eliminate manual entry. And here's the overall conclusion. So use QuickBooks if you need a full-featured accounting system, and choose AutoEntry if you already use other platform and want to automate your data task entry. And that's it.